Welcome to the new Nissan Pathfinder. This is the 5th generation now, showcasing a sophisticated and somewhat muscular design theme. Here we're testing the top Ti-L variant, which is one of just 2 variants on sale in Australia with the Ti. It looks pretty good in our opinion, with straight edges and body lines making it look strong and purposeful. Despite looking completely different to the previous model, this version rides on the same Nissan D platform as before. The body is bigger though, to provide even more cabin space. It's quite a big SUV. At just over 5 meters long, it's a tiny bit longer than a Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. The Ti-L gets these unique 20-inch alloy wheels, up from 18s on the Ti. They're wrapped in 255/50 hand-cooked tyres that are designed more for highway use rather than off-road, promising excellent wet weather performance and low noise. Inside, the cabin design is hugely improved over the predecessor. This looks much more modern, with a nice spread of quality materials for the key focus areas. The touchscreen is new, but it still falls behind some of the rivals, just in terms of operation and graphics. Passenger space is plentiful, with decent bolsters for the front seats and a good driving position. Visibility is also good, but you do sit in the vehicle rather than on it, which is great for driving enthusiasts, but for those looking for a really raised up stance, the ladder frame rivals do offer a higher view. This example features a centre console for the second row, with separate captain chairs for that luxury feel. Legroom is excellent, and access to the third row is easy thanks to the slide and tilt second row. Passenger space right up the back is very good as well for this class, and you can slide the second row forward for more legroom. Boot space is rated at 782 litres with the third row down, or 205 litres with all seats up. It's plenty for a full family. In terms of the engine, only a petrol V6 is offered in Australia. It produces good top-end power, but it does lack low-end torque, which is probably more important in a vehicle like this. Performance is great though. This is what it goes like.